This video is sponsored by Benzinga.
When the legendary Warren Buffett calls an indicator the best single measure of where valuations stand at any given moment, then you should probably know what that indicator is, right? I mean, it's not just his Dungeons and Dragons group that calls him the wizard, sage, oracle of Omaha. He's obviously pretty good at seeing what others don't in the market. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what the Buffett Indicator is and how you can use it to get ahead in markets. All right, so the Buffett Indicator is just a metric called the capitalization-to-GDP ratio. It's pretty easy to calculate. All you do is take the total value of all the stocks in the US market and divide it by the US GDP, or the gross domestic product. And normally investors use the Wilshire 5000 total market index as a measure of the total market cap. Now, Buffett is by no means the first to come up with this indicator and use it. He's just the one that made it popular. Kind of like how Snoop Dogg wasn't the first person to come up with the phrase "drop it like it's hot." That was actually Lil Wayne. Snoop Dogg just made it into a smash hit, which for some reason I thought it was important to tell you in this video. But anyway, you can see what the Buffett indicator looks like here. Historically, it's averaged around 65%, and it dipped below 30% several times throughout the Great Depression and then again in 1982. It also peaked at 88.3 before the 1929 market crash, and at 136.9 during the dot-com bubble in 2000. As of today, the Buffett indicator has been above 100, which is considered overvalued, for over 6 years now. And the ratio recently made an all-time high of 138%. Uh-oh. So what does this mean? Should you sell everything and prepare for a crash? Oh God, what are you gonna do? Maybe not. You just gotta keep it cool, like Buffett's Blizzard. Because the Buffett indicator isn't made to signal imminent sell-offs. Valuations can become pretty high and then stay high for an extended period of time. Like we said, we've technically been overvalued for years now. So selling everything right away just purely based on valuations may not be the best move for you. Instead, valuations in the Buffett indicator should just be one of many inputs you use to analyze the market. Buffett himself uses a bunch of different tools on top of his own indicator, and you should too. And if you're looking for more tools to put in your toolbox, then check out benzinga.com. I'll see you in the next video.